Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will show you a different method to fix this error, boot device not found. So let's start. The first method you can try is simply remove, if you are using any external device, if you connected any external device with your laptop, remove that external device and restart your laptop. In some cases this will fix the error, but if you are still getting the same error, a boot device not found, let's fix this by simply shut down your laptop, press and hold the power key. Now you have to open the BIOS menu, BIOS settings. So in HP laptop you can use this escape key, ESC key, or you can use this F10 key to open the BIOS menu, this F10 key. Now I will show you how to do it. Turn on your laptop and within a second start pressing this F10 key continuously like this. If you see this kind of screen, this kind of hardware diagnostic screen, select exit, then select yes, press enter, and here you can see this is the BIOS menu in HP laptop. Now you have to search for the option called secure boot. So go to the advanced tab and here you will get this option, secure boot configuration. So you have to search for secure boot or secure boot configuration. Click on this option. Now here you have to simply disable this secure boot. So right now the secure boot option is enabled, as you can see. So I will select the disabled option. So select the first option. In the first option your legacy support will enable, and also this will disable the secure boot. So select this option, secure boot disable. Now click on save to save the changes. Click on yes. Now go back to the main menu and click on this option, save changes and exit. Click on yes. Now your laptop will restart. So you have to simply open the BIOS settings and after that disable the secure boot. Now what you have to do is you have to press these codes on your laptop keyboard and then press enter. So I will press 0107. One more important thing, in your laptop the code will be different. Okay, so I have to press these keys, 0107, then press enter. Now your laptop will again restart. So you have to open the BIOS settings and after that disable the secure boot option, and after that save the changes and restart your laptop, and this will fix the error. Now wait and watch. And one more important thing, as you can see the issue has been solved, the error has been removed. So one more thing, if you are still getting the same issue, I already created another video about how to fix this issue with a different method. So you can check that video as well. I will put the link in the description box. So this is all for the video. Thank you.